Hi there, welcome back. I'm Johnny. It's great to see you again. As I mentioned in the last video, DT1 has 2 more fairs to join. Now, DT1 is joining the Global Sources Hong Kong Mobile Electronics Trade Show, which is from April 18th to 21st. Another fair ahead is in Shenzhen, called International Gifts, Handicrafts, Watches and Houseware Fair from April 26th to 29th. We're expecting your visit. So, let's move on to the part of new product introduction. In the last video, we formally introduced you to the stunning new arrival DT Ultra Mate, which is a great smartwatch with a classic watch appearance and lots of practical features, reflecting your professional demeanor. Another great new smartwatch that fits in the professional workplace is DT70 Plus, an all-time best-selling smartwatch which stands shoulder to shoulder with DT Ultra Mate, giving you another option with a different appearance. They're both beautiful smartwatches with a classic watch appearance, equipped with a large HD full round screen and a new UI. If those 2 smartwatches look bulky to you, especially you are a girl who wants a thin and lightweight smartwatch, then DT Diamond and DTS are perfect for you. Especially, they are designed for women. The DT Diamond and DTS both have an exquisite appearance with a shiny golden case. Their functions are identical. The biggest difference between the 2 is the appearance. So, which one do you like? The DT Diamond, whose screen has diamond cutting on the edge, or the DTS, which has a similar design. Both smartwatches have lovely pink inbuilt watch faces that perfectly show the sense of delicacy, delight, and youth. What if you are a boy and don't want a business smartwatch but a lighter and more fashionable one? Then DT4 Mate is a good choice for you. With a bigger screen compared to the DT Diamond and the DTS, DT4 Mate is still light in weight and thin in size, coming with a minimalist design that is smooth and round. When you hold it in your hand, everything feels so right. I like its lightweight and its frosted metal case that seamlessly supports the pearl-like screen, and its soft silicone straps that are skin-friendly. No wonder the DT4 Mate, as one of the newest smartwatches, has the brand new UI and lots of practical functions. If you ask me to choose one of them, then the DT4 Mate is going to be my first pick. If you are a sports enthusiast looking for a smartwatch, or you are keen on sports watches, then the DT5 Sport would pique your interest. The DT5 Sport has a special edition which is purely transparent, allowing you to see inside the smartwatch. It's so cool. Besides, the watch comes with more than 100 sports modes. Regardless what kind of sports you like, you will find the corresponding sports modes to record your exercises. Since the watch is made of plastic and silicone, it's so light that you won't feel tired when you wear it to do sports. The last new addition is actually our old friend, the DT8 Ultra, which has been upgraded with an offline Bluetooth functionality. We've given this new version of the DT8 Ultra a new name, the DT8 Ultra TWS. The watch will come with a box containing a pair of high-fidelity wireless earbuds, allowing you to enjoy music while running or doing other sports without the need for a heavy smartphone in your pocket. If you have better earbuds, you can also pair them with the watch. The DT8 Ultra TWS is the first model from DT1 to have an offline music function. Which newcomer do you like, or do you like them all? What are your thoughts on our new products? Please leave them in the comment section down below. Alright, I'm Johnny. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.